Hello everybody, this is Stella from London, and today I want to tell you about my next junk journal, which is going to be an Africa journal. I don't know very much about Africa really, so I've been doing a little bit of research and collecting a few things to start me off. And when I start a new junk journal, I start with a shoebox, and this is the shoebox that I've got for this journal. So it's quite a large one, but nevertheless it is shoe sized, and it's called Jenny. So if I take the lid off, I will show you what I've got in my shoebox for the Africa journal. I've been collecting this stuff for weeks and weeks now, with help from quite a few of you in the Pen Pal group. And this is what I've got so far, and over the next few weeks I want to be showing you what I do with it. But this is how I start off. It starts with a thought: oh, I'd like to do an Africa journal. Don't know much about Africa, so I'll swat up on that a bit and I'll start collecting. So we all like looking at things, don't we? This is a serviette. And now I can't remember who gave me what in this box, so I'm sorry about that. Hope I thanked you at the time. If not, thank you now. But this obviously will be nice for doing some decoupage. And the things in this box are not in any particular order. They're just as they went into the box. Paper bag, and another which I'll be able to use. Some nice paper with a lovely dark green envelope. Address check 2. Personally, I can't quite understand why people use guest checks and tickets and bingo cards, that sort of thing. I don't really get that, but I will try and incorporate it in my book. Isn't this gorgeous? This is a doily. Another serviette. And look at this. Birds of Paradise. This is a peacock. I shall have to check as I go along that I'm using the right things for the right country, because I could so easily go wrong. These, I think, are hummingbirds, which we don't have in England, sadly. People have been very kind, sending me bits of books that they've found, and all sorts of interesting paraphernalia. Africa, of course, is a very large continent, so there are lots of different countries in there. Look at that stencil, isn't that beautiful? I can't wait to use it. Absolutely gorgeous. It's not that big. I think it might be good for a middle page spread. There's a leopard. Stamped, that was. And these are postcards of various different African people doing different things. They're all old postcards. Well, that's good. I like old. Article about Africa can feed the world. Some washi tape and some ribbon. And more ribbon. I thought this was very pretty. So it's going to have a kind of a brown theme, isn't it? To start with anyway. Brown and yellow, I think. The girl having her hair plaited. Gorgeous buttons. This shop is going out of business at Christmas, sadly. She's been there forever. She's retiring. Lots of pictures. Giraffes, they're beautiful, aren't they? Just gorgeous. Leah Gordon sent me a lot of these pictures. I'm very grateful, Leah, if you're watching this. Because when I start doing a journal, I instantly discover that everything I'm interested in disappears off the shelves. It was the same when I did the bee journal. There didn't seem to be anything at all about bees. And then as soon as I'd finished it, everywhere was sending bee things. Lots and lots of bee ephemera. I think I might have a few over, don't you? Either that or I'm going to have a gigantic journal. Zebra swimming. That's nice, isn't it? Couldn't get him all in. Sorry. That's lovely. Upside down gorilla. African elephants have their larger ears. These big flappy ears. Beautiful, aren't they? Indian elephants have smaller ears. That's lovely. That's, I think, the colour scheme I'm going to go with. That's my plan, anyway. I wonder if I'll stick to it. Probably not. Leave those a minute. I've got some handmade paper. That's going to look beautiful in there, isn't it? Feels wonderful. This is one of the tea card albums that we used to collect when I was growing up, African Wildlife, and inside we had these beautiful articles about, beautiful pictures too, about the African animals, and they did these sets for all sorts of things. You've got 2 of these cards in each packet of tea. It was very exciting when your mum came back with a new packet of tea and you could look inside, take out the cards and see if it was one you'd already got. And of course the fun after that was swapping with your friends at school. This one is so beautiful that I shall keep the pages intact. Some lovely serviettes, napkins, as you call them, that I got in Sainsbury's. They were doing an African fortnight. And here's my ribbons. A lot of these Louise sent me. Louise Bailey, so thank you, Louise. Look at that lot. Gorgeous colours, aren't they? And these are some that I bought. There's some nice tassels in there. A little bit of African material. That feels like silk. I don't suppose it is, but it might be. Some lovely yarn, and this is very, very soft, so that'll make some nice tag ribbons, won't it? Am I inspiring any of you to do an African junk journal? If so, please do. And we can swap some of our ephemera. These cards are lovely. Beautiful drawings. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Some Africa paper. And this is an offcut from a skirt I bought in the summer, which was too long, so I shall be able to use those bits. These are the only stickers I could find so far. They're quite cute, aren't they? And then I looked in the charity shops to find some beads. One's tangled up, but I thought the colours were nice and I'll be able to use those. Paper. This is quite strong. It'd be good for the cover, wouldn't it? These are some I've already folded up. More handmade paper. This feels gorgeous too. And this one is very fine, light material. Wow, look at that. So that's what I should be doing in the next few weeks. I've got a few tassels. And I was pleased to find that in the wool shop. Certainly will use that one. And these lace pieces. Your buttons. This gorgeous little book. So, what else? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed looking through that with me, and I hope you'll follow me on as I plough my way through all these beautiful things and make a lovely journal. And if you want to join in with me, please do. I think we'll have a lot of fun. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.